Well, after seeing another video online about exterior door handles, I wanted to get them for my 2022 Can-Am. Most of them are really expensive, so I decided to make my own out of some bar stock. Now you can open it up from the outside and obviously the inside. And it got rid of that annoying pull strap, which I never liked anyway. It was just a way for Can-Am to save money, I think. It's a simple handle. Give it a twist down, unlocks. I'll be having another video up, kind of show you how I did it. And I may start reproducing these, I'm not sure. It's a little bit more involved though than my last kit I did for my Chevelle. Later.